Today is day 3 of my 12 days of tutorials where I am uploading a new eyeshadow tutorial every other day with the palette that you guys voted for, and today I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. So if you want to see how I got this beautiful eye look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, let's dive into the Rose Quartz palette. I'm going to start with Radiate on a fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to run that throughout my entire crease. I posted a video recently where I went through a bunch of Black Friday deals, and I did use this palette and I did a really soft look with it. So I kind of want to do something similar to that look but make it like a little bit more intense. But I will be using some of the same shades that I did in that look. I also didn't really do a tutorial of that look. I was just kind of quickly putting on some shadow. So I am just building up this Radiate shade in my crease. I have dipped back in a few times to get the pigmentation that I want. Taking more of that Radiate shade again on the same brush, and I'm just kind of lightly tapping some on the outer part of my lid. I'm going to switch to more of a tapered crease brush, and I'm going to pick up Precious. So I picked up this shade on the flat side of the brush, and I'm going to add that to the outer part of my lid. So I'm just kind of doing a light patting motion to build up this color. Now I want to pop one of the shimmers on my lid, and there are some really gorgeous options for this part. You could do this shade. I love this one or this one, but I think I want something a little bit more softer, so I'm going to take Energize. And I picked that up on the other flat side of the brush I was just using. And this shade's going to go in that blank inner part of my lid. So I'm using kind of a fluffier brush to apply this lid shade, but if you want this to be like more intense, I would use something more like a packing brush. The fluffier the brush you use, the softer the application you're gonna get. But I love this shade all over the lid. It is so pretty. Then I'm just gonna go back to that first brush I started with and just do a very soft blend in the crease. I went ahead and did my under eye concealer off camera, and now let's do the lower lash line. I'm going to take kind of a cool tone brown liner. This is Urban Decay Mushroom. It is one of my favorites. And I'm going to run that across my entire lower lash line and my waterline. Now I'm going to take a little smudge brush and start to smudge around this liner. So I also want to do a soft wing today, so I'm going to take that liner from my lower lash line and just kind of pull it outwards, not really going straight up. And one thing I've been doing is kind of squinting my eyes a little bit to really see where that line goes. So it's just a straight line like that. And again, I'm going to smudge that out and kind of pull it outwards. And then I'm going to take a little liner on the upper lash line, just right on this outer part, and kind of connect it to that little wing line I made. And then again, smudge it around a little bit. Now I'm going to take Mantra from the palette on a little angled brush, and I'm going to use that to kind of perfect my wing. So I'm just kind of stamping over where I did that liner and then flicking my brush out towards the corner of my eye to make that little wing. I do want to blend out my lower lash line a little bit more, so I'm going to take that first shade I started with, Radiate, on a small firm blending brush and just blend that across the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take my highlighter, which is Rare Beauty Enlighten, and I'm going to pop that in my inner corner. Now I'm going to draw a very, very thin line across my top lash line with my NYX Epic Ink liner. And then I like to take a little bit of a black shadow and just stamp that across that liner just to make it look a little more smudgy. So this just kind of softens out the black a little bit. I went ahead and popped on my mascara and lashes, and for my lashes, I am wearing the Bright Lashes Flutter. The Bright Lashes is my lash brand, and I took the half lash flutter and I cut it even smaller to be a little tiny half lash just right out here on the outer corner. I wanted something really soft and natural looking today. Here's the final close-up of this eye look. Here is what the full face looks like, and on my lips I'm wearing my current lip combo obsession, which is Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Iconic Nude with the Makeup by Mario lip plumping serum in Nude Glow. You guys already know this. I love how this eye look turned out, and you can kind of make it your own by doing any kind of eyeliner that you like. I've been really liking this kind of smoky wing that follows the lower lash line. It's also really easy to do in my opinion, and I'm just happy that I got to play with this palette again because it really is a beautiful one from Huda Beauty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.